We review AUKEY Dash Cam, Dashboard Camera. AUKEY Dash Cam, Dashboard Camera Recorder with Full HD 1080p, 6-lane 170 degrees wide-angle lens, 2 LCD and night vision. Price, $57.99 and free shipping. Details. Clear video capture, the DR01 backs you up in any road incident. Sony Exmor sensor captures super sharp 1080p video, and optional in-car audio, with 170 degrees field of view and also performs well for nighttime driving. Emergency recording and loop recording. Emergency recording automatically captures unexpected driving incidents and protects the recordings. Loop recording allows continuous use by writing over old, unneeded footage. Extreme temperature operation. Powered by the included dual-port USB car charger and internal supercapacitor. The supercapacitor has greater heat and cold endurance and longer lifetime than standard battery technology. Easy mounting. Easily and securely mount to your windshield in seconds with the included suction cup or double-sided 3M pad. Package contents. AUKEY DR01 dashboard camera, dual-port USB car charger, USB mini B power cable, 4M/4.37 YD, sticker mount, 3 3M stickers, 6 cable clips, user manual, 45-day money-back guarantee and 24-month warranty card. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe today. Thank you and come back again. Subscribe and get my latest posts automatically via email.